Southeastern Will County in northeastern Illinois, Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, northern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 10:30 p.m.
At 9:45 p.m. Northwestern Indiana until 10:30 p.m. At 9:45 p.m. a severe thunderstorm.
Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. The most intense part of the storm is heading toward Beecher. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gary, Portage, Merrillville, Shearville, Hobart, Kankakee, Crown Point, Highland, Munster, Park Forest, Bourbonnais, Bradley, Cedar Lake, Seeger, Lowell, Manteno, Peeltown, Momence, Lake Village, and Griffith, including the following interstates: Interstate 57 between mile markers 302 and 336. Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 8 and 15. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 17 and 21. Indiana Interstate 94
near mile marker 17 and 21. Indiana Interstate 94 near mile marker 16. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 233 and 261. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Governor State University, Indiana Motor Speedway, Kankakee Community College, Kankakee County Fairgrounds and Speedway, Lake County Fairgrounds, Olivet Nazarene University, and Will County Fairgrounds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. for northeastern and east central Illinois and northwestern Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor.
Eastern and east central Illinois and northwestern Indiana.
This is North Weather Radio, Key West Coast.